YouTube SEO 2020, the complete guide. There are 10 factors that can contribute positively to your YouTube SEO in 2020, and we've explained them all for you. Whether you do all 10 or a combination of a few, this is your ultimate guide to YouTube SEO 2020. Welcome to Video Ideas, and this video on YouTube SEO 2020, the complete guide. We put out how-tos, tips, and guides to ensure your YouTube success. Subscribe to our channel and share a comment with your questions and feedback too. While these are the 10 essentials when uploading videos to YouTube, remember that your SEO goes up drastically when you have great audience retention rates. Audience retention is the amount of time people spend watching individual videos of yours and directly impacts how your videos are ranked. Keep creating great content. And now, on with the essentials. 1. Titles, or keywords. Your keyword should ideally be in the first 15 to 20 characters, as a lot of people on mobile search are skimming through the results and may miss your video as being relevant to what they're looking for. A great title can be the difference in a user clicking through to see your video or just scrolling past. 2. Thumbnails. The best tip we can give you is to not waste a thumbnail on simply repeating what's in the title. Use this visual space to create intrigue or suspense. Pay attention to what you're clicking on in video search results yourself. Are there arrows, circles, or emojis in the thumbnails you see? A recent trend is to keep your face as 25 to 30% of the thumbnail, along with a few words or numbers describing what the video is going to be about. Remember to keep your branding similar across thumbnails so that people click your video when suggested titles pop up. 3. Tags. Tags exist purely from an SEO perspective and aren't shown to users browsing the platform. Use a tool such as vidIQ or TubeBuddy to find the best tags and most search terms related to the content in your video. While you may discover some videos ranking high with next to no tags, do remember the algorithm deemed their content relevant, and so it shows up. If incorrect tags are used, your content may not ever get the reach it deserves. 4. Descriptions. We see a lot of channels underutilize this space, and strongly recommend you fill up at least 500 to 600 characters worth of information. Your first few lines of the description should include your keyword. Your body should have 1 to 2 related keywords and a brief about the video, your social media links, and lastly, 1 to 2 hashtags for which you'd like to come up to. We'll soon be putting out a video dedicated to creating winning descriptions on YouTube, and we'll link it here when released. 5. Timestamps, or chapters. Have you noticed some videos have timestamps in the description, making it easier for viewers to skip to the bit that's relevant to them? Have you seen Google results which highlight relevant bits of videos that may answer your query, and then play just that bit when clicked? All of this is possible through the wonder of timestamps, or chapters. When uploading your video, all you need to do is type out that minute plus second combination, such as 1:30, put a few words to describe that bit, and when you hit publish, you'll have a clickable timestamp. 6. Your video. YouTube auto-generates closed captions for videos that don't have subtitles uploaded. And while it may appear this helps foreign audiences, it is also a way for the algorithm to grab additional data about the content you're putting out. YouTubers often suggest mentioning your keyword somewhere in the beginning and keeping channel branding and animation short and crisp. 7. Channel SEO. Setting up your channel properly adds to your overall YouTube SEO score. Be sure to fill in the About section and use appropriate keywords in the description there. Add in channel tags. As far as we can see, there's no real limit, but about 10 to 15 should be fine. Do remember to add channel art and link any social media profiles you may have. This helps boost your authority, something Google put out an exclusive update for in its search algorithm. 8. Video type. When uploading a video, do remember to click on More Options and select, from the drop-down, the type of video you're creating. You may not always get exactly what you feel the video should be tagged as, but take cues from what your competitors ranking for your keyword have used, and go with the most relevant option. 9. Hashtags. While we mentioned hashtags under description, it's important that you only use up to 3 with each video. Hashtags must be relevant to what you're creating, and can be especially useful when putting out trending content. YouTube recently promoted the #WithMe hashtag to support social distancing and give creators using it a chance to have their content featured on home feeds across the world. 10. Cards and end screens. The best tools for creators, vidIQ and TubeBuddy, have YouTube cards and end screens with each upload. It is part of the SEO checklist, and this is only a few clicks away in the latest YouTube Studio for creators. Do remember to link relevant cards, as a click-through could mean more watch time for your channel, and that's always brilliant. This was YouTube SEO 2020, the complete guide, and you're watching the Video Ideas channel. We have incredible videos such as how to promote your YouTube channel for free, so be sure to click through to that now. Subscribe to Video Ideas for inspiration, tips, ideas just for your niche, and more. Drop a comment and share your questions or thoughts as well. We feature our favorites.